Hey y'all, welcome back to Wanderlust with Roman. We are still in Canada. I'm here with my beautiful, wonderful, amazing friend Karina. For our last day in Canada, we are going to Niagara Falls. It's about 1.5 hours from Toronto where we're staying. We rented a car from a budget rental car place right by our hostel, which was about $50 for a day. There is a bus you can take, and for us it worked out that we're going to return the car tomorrow at the airport because we leave tomorrow. It's actually much more of a deal because we don't have to take Uber or Lyft, which was about $40. I'm excited to see Niagara Falls and see waterfalls, because waterfalls are cool. Karina's excited, can't you tell? So let's have a good time. See you guys in Niagara Falls. Alright guys, Niagara Falls is beautiful. I'm actually really glad we came.
It's great in the winter time because it's not busy at all.
Apparently during the summertime you can't even get up to the railing to get any pictures or videos or whatever. If you can come in the winter, it's a good idea.
The only downside if you're going in the winter time is there won't be any boat tours. You can go behind the waterfall and all that stuff, but that's only for the deep winter. So usually they operate until November and starting again at around March or April. You have different passes that you can take, but usually if you want to do just one single thing, you have to expect to pay something between $30 to $50. It's quite pricey.
That's not a deal. So we paid for parking, it was $15, so that's honestly enough just to walk around and see it. You don't really need to do all the extra tours if you don't want to. All right guys, and we hope you enjoyed Niagara Falls. We'll see y'all soon.
Bye.
Bye. Hello guys,
Hi.
We are back
In Toronto.
and we decided to take a side trip to
Casa Loma.
as our last stop on our Toronto trip. It's a castle in Toronto.
It's very pretty.
Very, very pretty. It's closed right now, so we're just outside. If you go in, you can go see all the castle stuff.
Yeah.
A nice old castle and whatever's in there. If you want to go in, it costs $30.
Quite pricey.
It's really not a deal. It's good enough to me just to see it outside. You should come see it. You can get a nice pic in front of it. I really like Toronto. I think it's a great city to come to. It's very quiet for such a large city, but I definitely recommend coming. It's beautiful in the winter, very freezing.
So I would recommend for you guys to come at around springtime because you will have the benefit that it won't be as cold as it is now in the winter time. It will be nice though, and it won't be as busy as the summertime, but you can still go to the islands of Toronto and some other nice outdoor activities that we had to skip out of the reason that we would have froze to death.
We have had such a wonderful trip together as always. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed Toronto.
Oh, like and subscribe.
Exactly. All right, peace out, y'all. See you next time. Bye.